Welcome to the ultimate mobile mansion. Imagine traveling in a motorhome that's not just any RV. This one comes with its very own private helicopter and a rooftop swimming pool. Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're taking an exclusive tour of a motorhome that completely redefines luxury on wheels. Get ready to be amazed. This isn't your typical camper. This is a $5 million luxury RV designed for billionaires, celebrities, and anyone who refuses to compromise comfort, style, and extravagance while on the road. From a private helipad to a pool on top, this motorhome has features you didn't even know were possible. First, let's take a look at the exterior. With sleek, modern lines and custom-built finishes, this motorhome is a true masterpiece. And right on top, a fully functional helipad allows you to land your helicopter anywhere you like. Imagine arriving at your vacation destination in style, straight from the sky to your private mobile mansion. The attention to detail is unreal, with LED lighting, panoramic windows, and high-end materials used throughout. Now, prepare to have your mind blown by the rooftop swimming pool. Yes, a full-sized pool sits atop the motorhome, complete with lounge chairs and space for entertaining. Whether it's a sunny day on the coast or a scenic mountain view, you can enjoy a dip anytime, anywhere. And it's not just a pool. Imagine a spa-like atmosphere with water jets, mood lighting, and a bar area for the ultimate relaxation. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The living room is spacious with plush seating, a large smart TV, and finishes that rival any mansion. The kitchen is fully equipped with professional-grade appliances, perfect for preparing gourmet meals while traveling. There's even a dining area that can host guests, so entertaining never stops, even while on the move. Every interior detail, from lighting to flooring, is designed for elegance and comfort. Luxury doesn't stop in the living area. The master suite is a dream come true, featuring a king-sized bed, walk-in closets, and an ensuite bathroom with a spa-style shower. Guests enjoy their own private suites, each designed with comfort and style in mind. It's like bringing a 5-star hotel with you wherever you go. This motorhome is also packed with cutting-edge technology. Automated smart home controls let you manage lighting, climate, and security with just a tap. High-end entertainment systems make sure your downtime is as luxurious as your travel. Imagine controlling your entire mobile mansion from a single tablet or smartphone. And of course, we can't forget the helicopter. Landing or taking off from your own rooftop pad is an experience unlike anything else. It's not just a feature, it's a lifestyle statement. Whether commuting to a remote vacation spot or simply showing off, this helicopter pad adds unmatched exclusivity and convenience. This motorhome proves that luxury has no limits. From a rooftop pool to a private helicopter, it's more than a vehicle, it's a mobile mansion that completely redefines how we travel. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more insane luxury vehicles and homes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a jaw-dropping tour. Which feature blew your mind the most, the pool or the helipad? Let us know in the comments.